Good afternoon from sunny Amsterdam. My name is Paul Houtmeijer and I'm very glad with the opportunity to represent Flexidao at the Climate Policy Forum today. In a 5-minute journey, I would like to take you to our vision, a view of what users get, our business model, some highlights of the technology that is deployed, and finally I'll try to summarize things for you. It is our strong belief that the energy transition needs sustainability leaders and that sustainability leaders need transparent energy data for decision making and stakeholder communication. Sustainability leaders use transparent energy data to know where their money flows, and they want their money to flow to renewable sources that replace grey sources and that are local, and to energy production that's time matched with energy consumption. Simply put, used when produced. If you have that, then you have zero carbon and clean air to breathe. No greenwashing whatsoever. Users get a sustainability dashboard. This is a high-level customer dashboard with an overview of all sites in all countries where the customer is operating. You can find the consumption in a selected period, a breakdown by fuel, sun, wind, bio, etc., and CO2 figures. Here you find the CO2 emissions that were avoided, expressed in tons, but also translated into number of cars taken off the road or number of trees that were planted. There is a lot of detail available in the site, and here is an example of a view of a single customer site. On top of the other information that we just discussed, you get a map view of the specific sources that actually provided energy by the hour or even by every 15 minutes. This time match. I'd like to start with 2 customer use cases before explaining our business model. Retail chain El Corte Inglés uses the Flexidao platform as a marketing communication tool. An in-store display informs shoppers about the green energy that's consumed in the store that they're visiting. EDP is their energy supplier. And Bank uses the platform for sustainability reporting and achieves much better operational efficiency than before. Iberdrola is their energy supplier. Our business model is a software as a service model. We provide our services white-labeled to energy suppliers. Energy suppliers deliver branded services to the corporate users, also referred to as C&I customers. Let's quickly move to technology, the last topic of this brief video. There are many technical aspects of the platform that are worthwhile to talk about. I will highlight a few. We take real-time meter data straight from production and consumption sites and put them on a blockchain. The real-time data is then fed into a matching algorithm for hourly matching. Match results also go on the blockchain. Settlement data is officially approved data that is used for billing and energy certificates like guarantees of origin and renewable energy certificates. It comes typically 1 month after the fact. Flexidao developed a solution for dealing with settlement data on a blockchain. This solution has become an industry standard known as the ERC 1888 standard. In summary, sustainability leaders drive the energy transition. They need transparent energy data for decision making and stakeholder communication. Their communication inspires other corporates to follow their lead. The results are that money is flowing into renewable energy sources that replace grey energy sources and that are more local, and to time-matched energy consumption and production. In short, it results in actual zero carbon rather than greenwashing. It results in clean air to breathe. Thank you for listening, and I welcome further interaction during the course of this forum. My name is Paul Houtmeijer from Flexidao.